Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Now there has been a notification from the COW relating to notice for form fill up for final year students, that is the final year even semester students of 2020-21. Let's go through the notification. The notifications dated 27th of June 2021 is relating to the notice on the form fill up for regular and backlog students for the final year, that is the even semester examination 2020-21. Now it has been mentioned that the form fill up for the even semester examination for the final year semester would commence from 29th of June 2021, and the following steps and approval required to be taken by the competing authority. Now the steps highlighted: point number 1, that the application form would be available in the student login as well as for the college login portal for all enrolled final year students of both UG and the PG courses. Secondly, the students required to log in with their credentials, and in case of any problem, they required to contact the college admin or the exam cell relating to the same. So students, once you have logged in with your credential, you require to submit the online form which required to be filled up by the students, and the same will be available in the college admin portal for verification and confirmation by the college. Now once the college has verified or confirmed, the students will be eligible to pay the fees directly to the university, and in case of any problem with respect to online payment, the students can even contact their college and the payment of fees can be directed from the college itself. Please note that the regular as well as the backlog form has to be filled up separately by the student. Point number 6 highlights that after payment of the necessary fees, it required to be downloaded for future reference. So once you have filled up the form and the payment done, the signed copy of the form should reach your college, and after submission of the fees and most importantly after appearing for the mock test, the admit cards will be issued. Now point number 9 is important. The provision of appearing in the online examination would be available for the students who have got the valid admit card. Now the dates are important. So 29th of June 2021, the forms will be available in the portal. Students required to fill up and apply for the examination, and the last date is 4th of July where the online form required to be submitted. By 6th of July, college is going to confirm and verify each and every form. So 6th of July is the last date for verification of the form by the college. From 1st to 7th of July is the date for the submission of the fees for the online examination. As I said before, in case you are not being able to pay directly to the university, you require to contact your college. So 8th of July is the date of submission and confirmation of the pending fees, either online or via demand draft by the college. 12th of July is the tentative date for generation of the admit card, and I'm 100% sure before that the mock examination will be conducted, and the final semester examination will be from 13th to 20th of July, which has been highlighted as the end semester theory examination. For regular candidates, the examination fee is 1,200, whereas for backlog papers it is 1,000 rupees. So these are important dates. 29 June 2021, students required to fill up the examination form online, and once it is verified by the college, from 1st to 7th of July, you require to make your online fees payment. So this was an important information which I felt like sharing with you all. Moreover, any videos relating to examination, education and other processes, you will get updated videos from this channel. So viewers, be associated with this channel. Till then, thank you. Take care.